Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. We all spend a significant amount of our time in meetings, so it's worthwhile thinking about what practical steps can you take to make them more productive and enjoyable. To start with, be sure to invite all the right people, indicate if attendance is optional, and if at all possible, do it well enough in advance to allow the participants to plan for their other commitments properly. Be clear about who will chair the meeting and who will be responsible for minute taking and follow-up action items. Ensure that you have a well-thought-through agenda that includes for every item its purpose, the outcomes you're looking to achieve, who will be leading the conversation on that item, and how long you expect it to take. It's a matter of respect for the attendees to ensure that you book the right room, check all the audio, visual and comms equipment, and circulate all pre-reading sufficiently far in advance to give the participants time to read and, where possible, respond to any given item. If you're running the meeting, be sure to start on time and end on time. It is not up to you to manage other people's tardiness, but you can send a powerful message to all concerned that punctuality is, in large part, a measure of personal integrity. The exception to this practice would be if a key person is running late and is notified ahead, asking to hold up the meeting. If the meeting is going to overrun, be sure to seek permission to extend rather than assume that it's okay. You should allow attendees to make the case as to why they have to honor prior commitments and feel compelled to leave on time. Or give them time to notify whoever they are meeting next that they will need to make alternative arrangements. It's vital to construct a welcoming mood for the meeting so attendees can be powerfully present to the content of the deliberations. Invite people to listen to understand and not to judge. It'll enrich the conversations. Keep the tone conversational so introverts don't feel stage fright. And don't be afraid to call time so extroverts don't hog the floor. And of course, keep mobiles out of sight and sound except for attendees on high alert. If you want better meetings, it pays to foster better manners. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.